Do you use essential oils? Here's why you should try tea tree oil. Essential oils are packed with benefits, offering natural relief for conditions like anxiety, insomnia, depression, asthma, and colds. Many also serve as natural repellents or disinfectants. Today, we're highlighting one of the most versatile essential oils, tea tree oil. What makes tea tree oil special? Tea tree oil has a distinct aroma and is well known for its antiseptic, antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. From skincare to household cleaning, its applications are incredibly diverse. 1. Combat dandruff naturally. Struggling with dandruff despite using specialized shampoos? Tea tree oil might be the solution. Its anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties help soothe an itchy scalp, eliminate buildup, and unclog hair follicles. Simply add a few drops of pure tea tree oil to your shampoo bottle and use it as usual for healthier hair and scalp. 2. A natural insect repellent. Research suggests that tea tree oil effectively repels mosquitoes and flies, making it ideal for those sensitive to bug bites. Create a DIY insect spray by blending tea tree oil with essential oils like lavender or citronella and diluting it with almond oil for safe application. 3. Supports oral health. Tea tree oil's bactericidal action helps fight plaque, gum inflammation, and tartar, preventing cavities naturally without staining teeth. For a homemade mouth rinse, mix 1 drop of tea tree oil with warm water and swish it around your mouth for 30 seconds. 4. Treats nail fungus. Thanks to its powerful antifungal properties, tea tree oil helps combat nail infections and ringworm. Apply a few drops directly onto the affected nail to aid in healing. You can also use it alongside prescribed treatments for added effectiveness. 5. Helps clear acne. Tea tree oil is a gentle yet potent antiseptic that reduces acne-causing bacteria while calming inflammation and redness. For a simple spot treatment, mix 2 drops of tea tree oil with a glass of water and apply it to problem areas using a cotton ball. Avoid direct application to the skin without dilution. 6. Intimate care and fungal infections. Its antifungal properties make tea tree oil an effective natural remedy for conditions like candidiasis. To create a soothing medicated bath, mix 5 drops of tea tree oil into a bowl with 1 liter of warm water. Soak for 20-30 minutes and use the water to cleanse the area. If itching persists, adding 1 drop of tea tree oil to a tampon and wearing it throughout the day may provide relief. 7. A natural household cleaner. Looking for a non-toxic way to clean your home? Tea tree oil acts as a powerful disinfectant and leaves a refreshing scent. For an all-purpose cleaner, mix 5 drops each of tea tree, lavender, and mint oil with your preferred cleaning spray. For floors, blend the same combination with your regular floor cleaner. 8. Perfect for aromatherapy. Tea tree oil's crisp, invigorating scent makes it a great addition to aromatherapy. To experience its benefits, moisten a towel with a mixture of water and tea tree oil and take deep, relaxing breaths. Final thoughts. With its wide-ranging benefits, tea tree oil is a must-have in any natural wellness and home care routine. Have you tried it yet? Let us know how you use it in the comments. Alright folks, if you've made it this far, congratulations! You're now officially a tea tree oil expert. But don't keep this wisdom to yourself. Hit that like button because your thumb deserves some exercise. Subscribe so you never miss out on more life-changing tips. And share this video with your friends, especially that one friend who thinks essential oils can fix literally everything. You know the one. See you in the next video.